In opinion by governance analyst G. Siya Mbelele has sharply criticized Zambia's security establishment following yesterday's violent attack on President Hakainde Hichilema in Chingola, describing the incident as a cloud alarm to our national security system. Sabina mashukubranyi kwa chinsi Hichilema's calm response notable subscribe like on babela icon. Pangwa ine, analysts warn in quotes, do not mistake his calmness for weakness. Tiendra Mermubran Commission, the president narrowly escaped harm after his motorcade came under attack from stone throwing mobs who set ablaze a police vehicle and destroyed property at Chiwembala Market and Chikola Secondary School grounds. The Zambia Police Service has confirmed that two suspects, Abraham Chilumbu 24 and Abraham Sichone 21, are in custody following the riots that left a police Toyota Land Cruiser, tents, and vehicles reduced to ashes. In quotes, if those stones thrown at President Hakainde Hichilema had been bullets, Zambia today would be telling a tragic story. Siya Mbelele warned in a strongly worded analysis titled, "A call not to mistake his calmness for weakness." Siya Mbelele said the images of President Hichilema reacting faster than his own security detail exposed the deep cracks within Zambia's intelligence and coordination structures. The president or commander-in-chief should never be placed in harm's way. This was not just a mistake, it was a serious failure that demands accountability and immediate corrective action, he wrote. The statement echoes growing public frustration over what appears to be poor advanced intelligence and inadequate crowd control protocols during presidential visits. Security analysts are calling for an internal review of both the protective unit and Copperbelt Police Command, warning that lapses of this magnitude could embolden violent actors. According to Zambia's police statement released by spokesperson Ray Hamunga, the mob's violence resulted in extensive property damage, including the burning of a presidential holding tent, portable toilets, and vehicles belonging to both the government and private entities. Doma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe zviitika kuZambia. Pina comment section medu nzvafungura ema tikude pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like achito on the bell icon.